You are watching Tech Curry. For more informative content, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. In this video tutorial I will show you how to make text scroll on MAX79128X32 LED matrix display using Arduino. So let's get started. For making this project we require one Arduino Uno, 18X32 MAX7219 Dot Matrix display, 5 male to female jumper wires. Now let's connect these quickly. Connect Arduino 5V to MAX7219 VCC. Connect Arduino GND to MAX7219 GND. Connect Arduino Digital 11 to MAX7219 DIN. Connect Arduino Digital 10 to MAX7219 CS. Connect Arduino Digital 13 to MAX7219 CLK. Now we will flash the sketch displayed in your left to our Arduino. Make sure you add these three libraries to your Arduino IDE before flashing. Also make sure that connections are exactly same as shown. Otherwise your project won't run. Write the text here which you want to display in your MAX7219 display. Now let's connect our Arduino to USB port of computer. Now click Upload to flash the code to Arduino. The code has been flashed successfully. Now you will see the output. I hope you liked this video. Please tell your response in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it now. Some more awesome content is coming your way. Thank you for watching.